In recent years, the demand for high-quality cable staples has surged as professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike seek reliable solutions for securing electrical and low-voltage wiring. Gardner Bender has become a trusted name, offering durable staples suitable for various cable types and installation needs. This guide evaluates 5 top Gardner Bender staples based on materials, size compatibility, ease of use. List 1. Gardner Bender PS550 plastic staple, half-inch, 14-2, 12-2, 10-2, NM, cable, white. The Gardner Bender PS550 is a versatile plastic staple designed to secure non-metallic NM cables ranging from 14-2 to 10-2 sizes. Its half-inch size offers a firm grip without damaging the cable insulation, ensuring a safe and professional finish. The white plastic build blends seamlessly with most surfaces, making it ideal for indoor applications. Easy to install, the PS550 is perfect for electricians and home users who want reliable cable management with a neat aesthetic. Its corrosion-resistant plastic material also ensures long-lasting durability in a variety of environments. List number: Gardner Bender, number MPS203, 200 PK cable staple ASSTD. Gardner Bender's number MPS203 offers a 200 pack of assorted cable staples, providing excellent value for large projects or contractors. These staples are crafted to fit multiple cable types, giving flexibility and securing different wiring sizes and types. With a solid build designed to hold cables firmly in place, these staples reduce the risk of cable damage and help maintain organized wiring systems. Their ease of use and assortment make the number MPS203 a practical choice for both professional electricians and DIYers who require a variety of staple sizes on hand. List number: Gardner Bender GSE 15410 metal cable staple, 1 1/8 inch, 10 pack. For those who prefer metal staples, the Gardner Bender GSE 15410 is a sturdy option designed to secure cables safely. Measuring 1 1/8 inches, these staples are suitable for thicker cables and wires needing extra support. The metal construction ensures durability and strength, making them ideal for tougher installations and outdoor use where plastic staples might fail. The 10-pack size is perfect for smaller jobs or repair tasks, providing professionals with a reliable solution that combines both functionality and longevity. List number: Gardner Bender MS500J metal cable staple, contractor pack, half-inch, secures Romex wire and NM. The Gardner Bender MS500J contractor pack includes 500 metal staples sized at half-inch, specifically designed to secure Romex and non-metallic NM cables. This contractor pack is an economical choice for large-scale projects requiring consistent, high-quality staples. The metal staples offer superior holding power and resistance to wear, ensuring cables stay in place over time. Their size and design minimize cable damage while meeting electrical code standards, making them an essential tool for professional electricians focused on both safety and efficiency. List number: Gardner Bender MMS 3102 low voltage staple, Cat 5E, Cat 6, RG59, 1/4 inch, 625 pack. The Gardner Bender MMS 3102 is tailored for low-voltage cables such as Cat 5E, Cat 6, and RG59 coaxial cables. With a 1/4 inch size, these staples are designed to hold delicate cables securely without crushing or damaging their insulation. The large 625 pack makes it ideal for networking professionals and installers who handle significant volumes of low-voltage wiring. Their careful design promotes neat cable runs and helps prevent signal interference, delivering both functionality and protection. This product is a must-have for anyone serious about clean and secure low-voltage cable management.